Hello, boys and girls. We are working on a math problem today. Here is our problem. So first, let's read it. Sally had 64 bunny stickers. She gave 2 strips of 10 and 3 singles to Franco. How many bunny stickers does Sally have left? All right, so let's start just thinking about this problem. Then on the next slides, we'll look at different ways to solve it. So make my pen a little bigger. Let's try red. So she has 64 bunny stickers. So 64. And how would I make 64 in tens and ones? Let's try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 61, 62, 63, 64. Not my greatest dots, but you get the idea. Now she gives some away. When we give some away, our number tends to get smaller because we're subtracting. We gave it away. We have less. So we do a minus sign. Now she gave away 2 strips of 10. 1, 2, and 3 singles. 1, 2, 3. And that would be 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So here is the problem we are working with. 64 minus 23. And we need to solve it and figure out how much it's going to equal. So looking at my tens and ones, I can see right there I'm going to be able to do this one without having to regroup, or I have enough to do that. So I'm going to switch to purple so you can see what I'm doing. So here's my 64 over here, and I'm going to take away 23. So I'm going to cross out 23. 1, 2, 3. Those 3 singles are gone now. 20, 10, 20. And what do I have left? I have left 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 1, 1. I didn't need this anymore at all because I figured out it was 23 over here, and I wrote it. And then I remembered to cross out the 2, which were these 2, and the 3 ones, which were all these. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens is 40, and 1 little 1. So 40 plus 1. And I know 40 plus 1 is 41. So my answer is 41. Now we're going to look at some other slides that shows different strategies we could use to solve this problem, but we got our answer. So hopefully with all the other strategies, we get the same thing. So let's look at this slide. We can draw cubes to show our strategy. So let's remember our problem again. It was 64 minus 23. So just to help us remember, let's build a 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and it was 64. Let me show you those ones. 61, 62, 63, 64. So there's my 64. That's how many stickers Sally starts off with. And then she gives 23 away. So let's give some away. 1, 2, 3. We've done 3, and it was 23. So I need 20 more. 10, 20. This is my giveaway section. It's not letting me overlap. So let me see. I'll put these up higher so we can see them. This is my giveaway section. There's the 10, 20, 21, 22, 23 I gave away. How many are left? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. So that was using our blocks built into 10 trains and our ones, our single blocks. All right, this one just shows it with the sticker. So it's the same thing. 64, 1, 2. See how these strips are like the 10 trains. 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 64. There's our singles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to get rid of 23 again. I wonder what they did with my pen. So it's 23. Here, pulls away 1, 2, 3, and then 20. 10, 20. And here's what's left again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. Good thing we're getting the same answer every time. Okay, here's a number line. We're going to start at, let's do green this time and not too thick, maybe right here. We're going to start at 64. She has 64. So here's 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So here's where we are starting. And I have to give away 23. So first I'm going to jump back 10. So 64 and jump back to 54. Whoop, there was a minus 10. I have to get to minus 23. Now I'm going to do another 10. 54. Whoop, all the way back to 40. Where is it? 44. There's another minus 10. And when I was at 64 and went down 10, I landed here at 54. I'll write 54 so we know what that was. And now I'm down at 44 and I have to go 3 more. Thinking maybe I should make this pen a little skinnier since those 3 are going to be close together. So let's go a little skinnier. Not so hard when you're doing it on paper, but okay, 3. So 1, 2, 3. And look, I'm right here, 40, 41. And look, 44, 43, 42, 41. And that's where I landed. So if I give away 23 stickers, or not me, Sally, we end up at 41. Yay, we got it right again. And the last strategy, you've seen cubes, you have seen sticker strips in individuals, and now you've seen a number line. And the last strategy we're going to look at is a 100 chart. Woohoo! So I'm going to take my pen. Let's see, we haven't done any blue yet. And we're going to find 64 on the hundreds chart. Here it is in the row of 60s. There, I put a square around it, 64. Now we need to go back 23. So if I move up 1, this goes back 10 to 54. That'd be like minus 10. I have to give away 23. So there was 10. Go back another jump. There's 10 more. I'm at 44 minus 10. So I've done 20. And I got to go back 3. So 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! I landed at 41. And that was 23. So 64 minus 20 is 44. And then minus 3 more is 41. And those are different strategies you can use. So let's review again. Here was our 100 chart. Here was our number line. Here are our sticker strips of 10s and 1s. Here are our blocks in towers of 10 and individual ones. And then here was Mrs. Mahoney's first effort where I started by writing the equation, drawing it out with my 10s and 1s. I got my answer. Then I showed you how to use all those strategies. So you can pick any of those strategies you would like as you work in your math assignment today to help you solve your problems. Good luck. Find the one that works best for you and get the right answer. You can always do 2 to check and make sure you got it right. Have fun.